Let's do some bottom lash extensions together today. I'm going to be walking you step by step through the entire service. It all starts with pre-service prep. The goal is to pull the top lash extensions away from the bottom natural lashes. We can do this by using micropore tape and even an iPad, which is optional, to pull the upper eyelid and the under eye area away from one another, creating more room for you to place your bottom lash extensions. And of course, see what you're doing while you're performing the service. Keeping the eyes shut when you're doing the bottom lash service can be a little bit tricky because it's really hard to see with the eyes closed. But the end goal is just to make sure the client doesn't leave with red eyes, chemical burn, or any irritation. So just keep them closed as much as you can. Please note that from time to time, the eye will open just a little bit, and that's okay. Because what you're gonna do is have your client hold on to a fan while you're lashing, and they can kind of control where the fan needs to go. That way, if they feel any irritation or burning or anything, they have control over fanning their eyes so they don't feel any discomfort. For this exact same reason, it's really important you work with a fast curing glue. One, you need instant grip, and two, you don't want fumes floating around while your client's eyes are open. So you need the lashes to cure ASAP. I highly recommend using our Quickie or Bondage Pro option for bottom lash extensions. Now let's get into application. Now, when it comes to bottom lash extensions, you can truly create any style you want, but most often you're gonna use lengths anywhere from 4 to 8 millimeter. We don't often go any longer than this for a generic bottom lash set. Curl-wise, it can be most flattering to stick with really soft curls for bottom lash sets. The most obvious choices for bottom lashes will be J and B curl. And when it comes to overall coverage, you can cover anywhere from just 10 natural lashes all the way up to an entire full coverage of the bottom lash set. It really comes down to the look that you're wanting to create. Application wise, just make sure that the base is perfectly flush with the natural lashes. This is the exact same process as your top lash extensions. The only difference is that it's literally upside down. So you'll have to move your body around your client in order to make nice, solid connection points without turning your hand upside down, which we obviously cannot do. So move your body around. You might have to stand on the side of your client for the service, or you might have to position your body in ways that are unfamiliar to you as a lash artist. So just get creative and do whatever you need to do to make the proper application happen. From here, if you have any questions about bottom lash application that you'd like to ask us here at Lost Artistry, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help out. See you in the next one.